Hey everyone, welcome back. Here's how to log in into Netflix on mobile. First, open the Netflix app on your Android or iPhone. If you don't have the app installed, you'll have to go ahead and open the App Store, search for Netflix, and download it from there. Once you've downloaded it, open it. Then tap on the sign in button. Now enter your email address or phone number linked to your Netflix account. Then click continue. After that, you'll have to go ahead and check your Gmail. Open the app Gmail and then click on the Netflix. Next, you're going to click on create an account. Then click Google. Click finish sign in and then you'll have to choose your plan and then click next. After that, type your Netflix password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, especially with capital letters. Now tap sign in. If your details are correct, Net will log you in instantly. If Netflix asks you to choose a profile, simply tap your profile name. Now you're logged in and ready to watch. If login fails, double check your internet and credentials before trying again, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.